and welcome to the Active Schools Conference 2023.
Cheers, thank you.
It's been great to come back into Oldham. 4 years since my last visit to the Dream Big Sports Conference, and I guess working with PE leads from around the area on all things that will help PE. So this morning we were working on what Ofsted might be looking for in a deep dive into PE and some of the ideas that would make lessons more exciting, more engaging. And then later this afternoon we were looking at what's in the teachers' toolkit, so ideas to, I guess, stimulate more exciting lessons rather than that formulaic skill drill. I say, you go do, and if we're lucky we get a chance to play a game later.
It's fantastic to be running the Active Schools Conference 2023 again, after 3 years away of not being able to run the event for a number of external factors. It's hosted and facilitated by Dream Big Sports. It's part of our mission to reinvest into great opportunities to young people. This annual event is our way of giving back to our schools and our community. I hope that the speakers and the agenda that we put together can have a wider impact on those that are in the schools we're working in and also across Greater Manchester.
Really enjoyed the opportunity to get to meet and speak to new people, colleagues from other schools, more experienced colleagues, and pick their brains about different things. In terms of the workshops, I enjoyed getting to learn about what to expect from a potential PE deep dive. I think sometimes, especially at my stage in my career, you don't know what you don't know. So it was quite nice to get an expert in and get their opinion and just kind of point out some of the things to expect so that you feel more prepared as and when that situation arises.
Well, I'm one of the founders of Moki, and we make this, which is a physical activity tracker for schools. We came along back in 2020 and wanted to come today, knowing full well that it's a small event, but it's incredibly well put together. There is a community here that's growing around the importance of physical activity, and we think it's actually really nice just to get out, meet people face to face, and support events like this one.
Yeah, so overall the conference itself was really good. I didn't expect it to be as good as it was, obviously. Seeing the different aspects of the actual PE side of stuff and things like that. Yeah, just overall it was really good, really enjoyed it.
It opens your mind because not only do we see it from a college student, now we're also able to see how it affects everything that we're doing daily. So it's just my own where it's really interesting to learn about. So if you get the opportunity, definitely do.
I did 2 workshops. This morning I did the dance, and I found that really useful because I'm competent in teaching dance, but I took some things away. The PE Teach Toolkit, and Will was explaining about different models, different teaching styles and different ways to teach. And if you've got a few kind of things in your back pocket, that they will lend themselves to the children being more creative learners.
I just think it's a brilliant day. Learned lots from meeting Beth Tweddle and her inspiring story to get to the pinnacle of her sport, and just everything has been brilliant about the day. Taking lots away, so using my own setting, as well as passing on information to my colleagues as well.
The day wouldn't be possible without our sponsors, our exhibitors who joined us today, obviously the team at Dream Big Sports who planned, organised and facilitated a fantastic event, and we hope to see everyone again here next year for a bigger, better Active Schools Conference.